Let's fix this. Yeah? Oh, it's the bag. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. No, I don't know how to start, because what if you guys are new? This is my last time filming this intro. I don't know why. I just need to do things in little parts, because then I start talking and I just go off on a tangent and then I mess up and then I have to start all over again. Okay.
Nah, picture me rolling, tip of my chauffeur. Niggas look jealous, you gotta control it. Reaching my quota, mixing my soda.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you guys are new, my name's Desiree, or Des. You guys can call me either. I'm going to start trying to make it a habit of introducing myself every video, because sometimes I forget some of you guys are new and this may be the first video you guys are watching. If you guys are not new and this isn't the first video you guys are watching and you guys have been subscribed to me, you guys know I always like to thank you in the beginning of my videos and the end of my videos, because I really do appreciate everybody who watches my videos. If you guys are new and you guys like this video already, or if you want to wait to the end, you guys can subscribe now. I will have a little button at the top at the end of the video, or you can just hit the button down below to the side, wherever it is, to subscribe to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about, I'm so excited to tell you guys. I was actually supposed to film this video like 2 months ago, but I've been busy and I've been planning and I've been doing other things, but that's not the point. So this video, you guys can tell by the title, is going to be a try on haul for Ootdfash. If you guys are not familiar with them, you should be, because I feel like they're growing quickly. They've been around for a while, if I'm not mistaken. I remember seeing their store. I mean, it was a different style back then, but I remember seeing their online store in like 2013 when I first started posting pictures, because I used to always follow the hashtag OOTD, and sometimes I would be brought to their store. So I've been following them for a while, which is why I'm so happy to be filming this video, because it is not only a try on haul, but I won a contest to be on their PR list. If you guys follow them on Instagram, and I will have their Instagram linked below, as well as the website, as well as the items that I'm going to be showing you guys and the sizes I got, and the location they have in LA. So I won a contest, and I think they're more so doing this as a marketing strategy, because I've seen a few stores do it. But if you repost them, you have a chance to win a contest where you are able to be put on their PR list. So they send you some free clothes, they give you a coupon code, and then you can wear them and share them on your Instagram. So some of these items I had purchased prior to winning the contest. Some of these I purchased after winning the contest, and I am going to be purchasing from them again, because I love their quality clothes, and sometimes I get tired of just shopping at Forever 21, and they do have quality clothes. Some things, I mean, I feel like for the most part everything I've purchased has been quality that I've worn and washed. So let's just get into the video. Again, all the sizes, names, hopefully I can find links of some of this stuff. I think I'll be able to find links. I think one of the top, maybe not for one of the tops, but I for the most part feel like I'll be able to find links for you guys, and I will post them down below, as well as the sizes, and then I'm going to tell you guys what sizes I got during the video. So you guys, let's talk about shipping. So prior to winning the PR package, shipping is pretty much, I live in San Diego, they're located in LA. I've never had an issue with shipping. I don't know what they charge for shipping, I forgot. I think it's like $6 to $8, just the average. But I've never had an issue with receiving my package or it taking too long. It probably took maybe 2 to 3 days and maybe like a day to process my order. But I think the first time I ordered from them, it was processed like, yeah, I want it safe to say processed within that day or the next day. And then from that day it took around 2 to 3 business days for me to get my items. So let me start off, let's see. We're gonna start off with this 2-piece outfit. So, okay, so this 2-piece outfit is just a comfortable cropped shirt. It has a little pocket, and I did save the bag, you guys. This is the bag that my PR package came in. Again, some of the stuff I purchased prior to winning the PR, but I wanted to show you guys everything I've purchased for them so you guys can see the quality and what I like and what I've gotten from them. So the first outfit they sent me was this two-piece, and this is called, so this black set is called the Brie matching set, and that's BR. Here, I'll show you guys so you guys can look it up if you want. Well, I will have the links down below either way, so I guess that doesn't really matter now. But just for reference, it's called the Brie matching set. So it comes with a loose crop top. I got this in a size small. And then I wasn't too thrilled about the top because it's just a plain crop top. When I was choosing my items, a lot of things were sold out, which made me sad because they had really cute things, but then they only had a large or a medium. And I was like, I'm a small, I need a small. This one, they actually did have in a small. I think this was new at the time of my order. Then it comes with these sweatpants, which you guys will see how they fit. They're really cute. They have these, what is this called? Buckle loops, so that you can even wear a cute belt with this if you wanted. But these are super cute. They're super comfortable. The quality's really nice. They're not see-through. These, I feel like I'm gonna get more wears out of the pants than the shirt, but I will wear this as a set. I'd probably wear this to somewhere like Disneyland with a backpack and some Vans, and it's just really comfortable and really cute. Maybe like a bodysuit under if I was gonna be cold. Next, the next thing I got was this two-piece. You guys are gonna see it. I took a picture in it and showed you guys my coupon code. By the way, my coupon code will be at the bottom, and then I'll share it with you guys at the end of this video. But it is just this two-piece. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like on. It's a really cute two-piece. You have to wear it, well, at least I have to wear it with heels because I think I got this in a small, because the pants are really long, but it's really cute. I would say you can wear it like with tennis shoes, but because the pants are so long, I have to wear it with heels for the pants not to drag and get ruined. But this one's super comfortable. The only thing that I didn't like was that the top was a little too small. Maybe I should have got a medium, because when I lift my hands in the air, not that I'm going to lift my hands in the air, but my bra kind of shows at the bottom. But maybe I can wear it with like a bralette or something at the bottom where it doesn't look weird if it shows. Next, I didn't get very many things, so I think they sent me 3 things, and I feel like I have another two-piece. I bought this gray one I bought, and I bought another two-piece. I actually didn't include it in this try-on haul, but I bought another two-piece from them, and then I bought this shirt. So this shirt is the next thing I'm going to show you guys. I posted a picture on my Instagram maybe last summer of wearing this tan shirt, and it's super cute. They actually have a long sleeve. They actually have a long sleeve shirt like this where it wraps around your waist. I like anything that makes me look smaller at the waist until I get that dream body in. I need to stop saying so many times in my video. But yeah, I really like this shirt. I like that I can wrap it around my waist and my waist looks small. It's very flattering. It's cute. You just button it in the middle. You just button it down the middle, and then it's a cute crop top. I want the long sleeve one. I need to order a few more things from them, and I am for Valentine's Day, so stay tuned for those outfits. The next thing they sent me was this black shirt. This one I did get in a medium. What was this shirt called? I saved all these wrappers, and let me see. Oh, okay. This shirt was called the Sunny Sister Top in black, and I wish I would have got a different color, but I felt like black goes with everything. This one's really cute. It ties in the middle. It's super cute for summer, or you can wear maybe like a bodysuit underneath, even if you don't want to like show like your mid area, with jeans. I like that the sleeve part cuffs at the end and has ruffles. It's super cute. It looks better on than it does off. It kind of just looks like a cloak off, but that shirt's cute. That one I got in a medium because they didn't have a small, but you can kind of get away with that type of shirt because you just tie it. You can tie it tighter if need be. Next are these jeans. I'm so in love with their jeans. I want to grab another pair. They're similar to Fashion Nova jeans. They're super cute. They're super comfortable. I got a 3, and these are the Clara jeans, high-rise skinny cropped. I like that the end is super distressed, and you see that? They look cuter on than me showing you guys right now, but they're just like, they're not dark wash. Well, they're kind of dark wash jeans. These are probably my favorite jeans, and they're the most comfortable jeans I own, including the Fashion Nova jeans I have. These ones are super cute. They're super comfortable. I think I've worn them 2 or 3 times already. I just haven't taken any pictures in them. The last thing they sent me, no, I bought this actually. The last thing I got from them, this is, I believe this is the Martha dress. The only thing about this dress was that it was see-through, but if you can wear a nude bra and nude underwear, which I posted a picture wearing this dress with some really cute knee-high diamond boots. And it looked really, really nice just because this dress is super plain and just a nude little dress. But it's super warm. It's super comfortable. It is, again, a little see-through. But it's really, really cute. And the quality, if you feel the material, is really nice. And it's a long sleeve. And you can probably get away with wearing this type of dress over springtime because it's not super thick. But it's like a nice knitted material. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Those are the few items I got. Again, I'm not just saying I like them because I won the contest and they sent me the clothes. I really do like their clothes. Some of it I purchased prior to winning the contest and some of it I purchased after. And I will be placing another order with them next week for another, I was gonna say another Valentine's Day, for another video that I will be posting, and it'll be Valentine's Day, like outfit inspired date night look, something like that, something along those lines. So I'm going to be placing another order with them. If you guys are interested in shopping on their website or going to their store, I will have the website as well as the store address below. And if you guys shop online, you guys can use my discount code. It is LoveDez. I will put it in the description bar as well. If you guys want to stay, what was I going to say? Stay on track. If you guys want to stay updated with me, is that the right word? I can't even think of the word right now. But if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, because I do be posting cute outfits and pictures, and I will be posting, I will be having a little Valentine's Day photo shoot. You guys can follow me on Instagram. It's with Love Desiree on, I was going to say .com, with Love Desiree on Instagram. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful if you guys were a little iffy about shopping online at the store. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to subscribe, the little button, click this little picture right here and you guys can subscribe now.